Hello everybody and welcome on Baby TV. Today we have 8 Kinder Joy surprise eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And under this Kinder Joy surprise eggs we find toys. Come on, let's start to check what we have here under this Kinder Joy. Oh, the first toy is a Lamborghini Aventador. The second toy is Minnie Mouse. Hello, my name is Minnie Mouse. Under this Kinder Joy we find PJ Mask, oi lad! PJ Mask! PJ Mask! And here we go. The next one is Masha. Привет! Masha is coming from Russia. What we find here is a crocodile. Russia, I'm a crocodile. Oh, Super Mario! Mario Bros. But where is my friend Luigi? Luigi, where are you? Oh, a minion. And the last one is... Oh! Happy Smiley. I'm so happy, so happy. Look at my toys. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time on Baby TV.